Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Now we're gonna do another video of Doom. And we're gonna do resource operations, the tunes chapter, and yeah, it's gonna be really nice to play. And if you guys wanna see more of this, just like and comments below. What are you gonna comment below? Say write. Write Doom 360 and then just write that if you want me to do more videos of Doom. Okay, my sense are not good, but auto map, yeah, I know, I saw that in the video before. Okay, so what are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do now? Like, my control is so fucked up. It can't be overused. I'm not playing that good too. Ah! You need to die, buddy goose. Hey, who are you? Okay. I think I was gonna get there, but okay. Oh, what am I going to do now? Oh my god, I'm so new at this game. But okay. Yeah, I was just gonna set on the power. Okay, I didn't even know what it did.
And what will be your final moments in this world?
Okay. Wait, are you still there?
Sacrifices.
I didn't mean to do that. What the? Is this a secret?
My sisters and brothers
Yeah, a fun secret, buddy. Oh my god, I'm the best, buddy. I'm the best, buddy. What is this? Oh, it is an auto map. Wait, I haven't done that before, but okay. Auto map, I get it. Okay. Hello. I don't even know what I'm doing. No, I'm just trying to complete this. Come on. Ah! Is there any more? What the? Yeah. What are you, buddy? I killed him. I don't have any ammo. I'm so boned. Come on, I'm boned. I'm so flippin' boned. What is this? Yeah. And what will be your final? What are you? What the fuck? Oh, I don't want to read it because it's so fucking scary, bro. So fucking scary. Hey, it's more fight! You wanna fight, buddy? Come on. I have a brother that comes from another mother. Oh! Wasn't so good. Oh! Yay, bro! Yay! Hey! Hey, brother. What are you doing about another mother? What are you doing about brother that comes from another mother? It's so much people! Get away from me. I'm losing that all the time. Oh my god, this is hard as hell, bro. This is more hard than the other chapter. I have already seen it. Oh my god. And you want to survive as long that you think you will. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. Yeah, now I can get in. Slay! Bro! GG! Oh, now this game is gonna get a lot bloodier than I thought it was gonna be. When you have chainsaw in a game, oh, what is this? Okay. Well, health station. Health station. Oh my god, I can't even say, but okay. Damn. A big. Oh, so close that I didn't hit that, but I did because I'm bro. I'm a pro, bro. Yo. Oh man, I'm dead. Come on, bro. Oh my god, that's my first death of this whole game or campaign. Oh, lucky Luke. I didn't think I was gonna die there, but I did. So why aren't I using the chainsaw? Yeah, that's a big question. Oh my. There you go, buddies. Oh, what the fuck did you get? Go get it. Oh my god! Am I serious? I died right there. Oh my god. I'm so bad at this game. Come on. Come on, why can't I just flip off? I just want to complete this. Please, can I complete this? Oh my, I hate this game, I hate this game, I hate this game, I hate this game. Get this, guys. No! I shot it full. I'm gonna kill you. Oh my god! Fuck my life. Actually, how can I die there at that point? Always. Hell no. Oh my god. Why? Why is this game so stupid? That's a big question. Why can't I just complete that? Come on, it's so easy. Come on, I know it's easy. I know it's easy. My fucking control is so fucked up. And I paid for like $500 for it. And that's really disgusting when I want. I'm like paying for something that's so fucking bitchy and. Oh man! Yep, updating. Well, I'm happy about that. Oh my god, that was intense. I just can't talk. I'm just upgrade point. Oh. Ah. Wait, what? I don't have the explosive shot anymore. Are you serious? Why you don't have that? Oh, this is disgusting. Come on, bro. I don't even have my explosive shot anymore. That's it? Oh, no. This game. And also, guys, you doesn't know this, but I'm sweet. I'm sweet! I come from Sweden! And, yeah. To learn you some swear words for you guys that is watching very much. I can swear to you guys and then you can learn of me and then you can just swear sweet words. And that will be really good because you don't swear English words. So your parents or anything will hear if I know what is happening when I swear in my family on Swedish. But the Swedish fika isn't the same Julia. Or like I want a Swedish fika. In stuff got to go. I like to have the pistol. I like the pistol. Real big badass pistol. I'm so funny. How did you get so big? Oh, here it is. Oh, a glitch. Come on, a glitch. Why do I glitch him? I listen to so good. What the fuck is happening? Die, piece of shit! Oh my god. I aren't even talking. This is so intense. I'm just trying to not talk, but I need to because... Oh, you. Because our YouTube channel, like when you're playing videos... Okay, that's it. You always need to talk. If you don't talk, it won't be a funny video, okay? No, you won't get any views, you won't get any subscribers. Oh my god, my control. That's my control. And I'm gonna buy a new one for like £1,000, $500 or anything. But this bullshit control, I hate it. I hate it with the rest of my heart. It's really disgusting, actually. Oh, I don't know why that's always happening, but fuck off. Oh, finally! Now I'm gonna buy the explosive shot again. Well, they're really fun. Hello, can I get that? You. Whoa! What the fuck? Bro, you scared me out of the shit. No, I don't want that to happen. I don't want to see that. People die again. Yike! I got a checkpoint. Stop, my control needs stopping like that. Hello! Oh, man, this is good. Okay, what I gotta have assault rifle. This looks really fun, actually. I wanna prove that is fun. Okay, I got to open. Yeah. I thought I opened the airlock control, but yeah. Open! Yeah, I gotta open another one. So now we gotta get out of here. And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be super fun. Super funiguye. Funiguye. Ay. Yeah, it is funiguye. Funiguye. What is this? Wait, what? What the fuck is this? Okay. Hey, what? This is really good. I like it. I can like do whatever. Oh, that guy had shield? Possess security. Okay. It is a security. Okay, well, you have actually really much security because you have all these demons. These demons, like imps and stuff, they're really hard to play with. Also, But I'm gonna crush everything. Okay, that's it. Okay. Well, I see. That's called Berserk. Wow. I want that. A little bit more of that in this story. Or campaign. Or what the heck I'm else gonna say. But I don't know. I don't like it. Okay, it's really good. So, this is really good. I like it. I like it. Oh, I needed armor. I needed armor. I needed armor. Can I get up here? Oh yes, I can. I'm so smart. I'm going to. Yeah. I didn't these. Another toy! Okay, this wasn't the way I was going to go. Yeah, or go, or anything. Okay, I'm going here. Oh, wait. Oh, was it? Or this also a secret? No, it wasn't. This was the way I was supposed to go. Okay, that's really good. Or it's really... I like it. You know what I mean? Base controls processing for processing production. It's all blocked. Okay, access blocked too. Okay, I can't even. My control is badass. Badass. It isn't badass, but it is so bad. Okay, you know what I mean? Yoink! We're going down. Or okay, I want to go up. I like heights, but yeah. If you want to, so fine. More demons. Like, it's all demons in this game. It's like demons everywhere. Can't get away from it. Hello! Where do you came from? Yeah, okay. I was just going here. I didn't know where I was going. Yeah. Okay, so we are gonna go here. Yeah, here. Yeah, we're going down here. Oh! Fuck you guys. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you all! Okay, this is really funny. I like it. I like when I kill people. People are really good to kill, and I like to kill people. Oh, what is this? It's really scary. I didn't even see it there, buddy. Oh, you are dead. Whoop! Whoop! Can I find another one? Oh! Why? Why you do this to me? I wanted to get this shit. My shit. But I don't have any ammo, like, you know. Okay, I got one ammo, like, or like it wasn't one ammo, but it was like. That is really disgusting. Actually. Okay, I got you. I got you right here, Nick. That's really badass, brother. Oh, cool. Oh. Stop. Stop. Okay, we're down here. Well, is this a secret? Is this a secret? No. Okay, that's the way I'm supposed to go. Okay, is this a secret? No? Or... Yeah, here! Another fucking dog. Is this the gold one? I hope so. Weapon upgrade point gained. Yeah, that's pretty dope. I need a bigger boom, probably. But will I still have it in the next episode? I didn't in this, but yeah. What? This is a gift, okay. If it's a gift, why can't I get it? Okay, but I can't. Is it a glitch or no. No, we got it. I got Reinberg. Okay, which I can pick which health, armor, and I gotta take health. I need health. Okay, I got 125. Rest in peace. Or like I want more, like 115. Yeah. I won't say anything. Are you Dr. Samuel Hayes? You look really disgusting. You're like a robot. That was a real disgusting.
Is on lockdown. Demonic presence through the Mars installation is critical. According to the records, Dr. Hagen, the invasion originated in the Lazarus facility. It seems that a hell wave was activated, transforming 64% of all UAC employees into the creatures you see roaming throughout the facility. The rest were killed by the demons released from their holding cells by Olivia Pierce.
Okay.
I feel I should
apologize
for what's
Okay.
happened here.
Why are you talking like this? Like,
Olivia was the cause of all this. And I believe you will have to deal with her in time. You may not agree with our research, but know this. We exploited hell and its resources because it was in mankind's best interest to do so. What you now see in this facility is the cost of progress.
okay.
But none of that matters now. There is an emergency on the foundry.
What happened?
Regulators have been destroyed and the core
Okay.
temperatures are now destabilizing. They've overrun the adjacent facility. If the venting turbines aren't re-engaged, neither of us will survive the meltdown.
Okay, can you open the door because I want to get out of here. And I'll get my weapon back. Whoosh. That's that door right here. Right here, right next to the door. Oh, that was this chapter. The resource operations. Know your enemy. Okay. This was really... The other chapter was the UAC. Okay. And... this is the end of the video, and I will thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you will see the next video that will came out, I think tomorrow, or like if 2 days or anything, I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, give a comment below, or drop a comment below or anything. I need to show you about this. And then you can say, if I am good at English, I'm just 10 years old, can't say that I can say that I'm not good at English, but what you think I am, you can write in the comments below. And then I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh man, I didn't say bye bye because I forgot something. If you wants to check Leo's channel, because his channel is Leo Vlogs and Gaming, but it is Swedish. So you guys, I can write it in the description below, and then you can just go to his channel and subscribe. It's really good actually, but it's free. So thank you guys so much for watching, and hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye.